Good morning, everybody. We are a week into this online learning experience, and I just want to make sure that everybody knows where to find assignments in my class. So if you go to my school, click on my classes, and they come up right here. And I'm going to go to Math 7. And you'll see over here in the assignments, it says Tuesday, March 17th assignments, and then Wednesday, March 18th, and so on. And it says read first. Notice there's also another assignment below it. You need to click on the assignment for that day because that's going to have all the instructions in it that I had for that day. So I made some tutorials before we went online. And if you don't know how to access something, click on it. It's a minute to two, and it will walk you through it. So for seventh grade math on Friday, it said watch a video. So that was required. Anytime I post a video
Welcome to seventh
required
grade math.
for my class, I can see how many people have watched it, and I usually put instructions on there to either post something in a discussion board or do something in homework, and that way I know you're watching it. And then if you go back to the thing, it says enter the homework in the online test. So if you don't know how to get to online tests, just click on this tutorial. It'll show you real quick. And then I'm trying to get all my students to sign up for Khan Academy. There's a link in the classes that are doing it. So the other way that I'm having some homework turned in is through Dropbox. There is a tutorial for that. There's a tutorial on how to download attachments. If there was an attachment, it would be in here. It's pretty simple. And then discussion boards. And in every class, I post that you have to do something in the discussion board each day, and that's part of your participation grade. So if you have any questions, the best thing to do is go into the discussion board and post your question in there for the current day. I add the current day every day, so Monday will be Monday, March 23rd. And the reason I'm having everybody do that is a lot of times students have the same question, and if they ask it in there, I can answer it once, and it will answer everybody's questions, even the ones who may not reach out to me privately to ask. And the other thing that's happening is students are helping each other, which I think that's a positive thing as well. All right, so I hope this helps you find your assignments, and we will talk again soon.